Frunk Bench, a storage bench that is placed in the front trunk of a car. This type of bench is typically made from lightweight materials and is designed to fold up or collapse when not in use. It can be used to store a variety of items, such as groceries, tools, or camping gear. A custom-made bench that is designed to fit into the specific dimensions of a frunk. This type of bench is often made from higher quality materials and may have features such as upholstery or built-in storage compartments. Can be a stylish and functional addition to a car's interior. Frunk benches are typically made from materials such as aluminum, plastic, or wood. Aluminum is a lightweight and durable material that is often used for frunk benches because it does not rust. Plastic is another lightweight and affordable option, but it may not be as durable as aluminum. Wood is a more traditional material for benches, and it can add a touch of elegance to a car's interior. Frunk benches can be either fixed or removable. Fixed benches are permanently attached to the frunk. Robinson Fire's X1 Truck Pack. The Robinson Fire X1 Truck Pack is a versatile and durable aluminum drop-in truck pack that is designed to fit a variety of pickup trucks. It is made from high-quality materials and features a variety of compartments and accessories to help you organize and store your firefighting gear. Standard 6-door configuration for a long bed F250. Split bed slide. Custom shelf. Interior LED lights. Split dual bed slide. Extended ladder rack. Anti-skid black finish. Increased storage space. The X1 Truck Pack provides ample storage space for all of your firefighting gear, including tools, hoses, and personal protective equipment. Improved organization. The pack's multiple compartments and accessories help you keep your gear organized and easy to find. Enhanced safety. The pack's interior, LED lights and reflective strips help to improve visibility and safety at night. Durability. The pack is made from high-quality aluminum. Kingspan TruckMaster. The Kingspan TruckMaster is a portable diesel fuel storage and dispensing tank that is designed for safe and efficient refueling of vehicles and machinery in remote locations. It is available in a variety of capacities, from 200 to 900 liters, and is made from durable, UV-stabilized polyethylene that is resistant to impact and corrosion. A DR approved for the transport of diesel fuel. Lockable galvanized steel storage cabinet. 1-2V diesel pump, max 50 LPM, with 6M battery leads. 37MX 3/4 delivery hose. Optional flow meter and auto shut-off nozzle. Vacuum and pressure relief vent. 2 BSP fill point. Suction line with mesh filter. Safe and convenient. Refueling. The TruckMaster's enclosed design and safety features help to prevent spills and leaks, making it a safe and convenient way to refuel vehicles and machinery. Portable and versatile. The TruckMaster is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for use in remote locations. It can be mounted on a truck bed, trailer, or forklift. Durable and weather resistant. The TruckMaster is made from durable Powerhorse truck loader. The Powerhorse truck loader is a versatile and powerful leaf and debris vacuum that can be used to clean up yards, driveways, and other outdoor spaces. It is equipped with a powerful engine and a large vacuum chamber that can quickly and easily suck up leaves, twigs, grass clippings, and other debris. The truck loader also features a shredding mechanism that can reduce the volume of debris by up to 80%, making it easy to dispose of. Powerful engine. The Powerhorse truck loader is equipped with a powerful engine that provides plenty of suction power to tackle even the toughest jobs. Large vacuum chamber. The large vacuum chamber can hold a large amount of debris. Black Ice Tri-Fold Snowmobile and EV Ramp. The Black Ice Tri-Fold Snowmobile and ATV ramp is a versatile and portable ramp that can be used to load snowmobiles, ATVs, and motorcycles into trucks, trailers, and beds of UTVs. It is made from high-strength, lightweight aluminum and features a tri-fold design that makes it easy to transport and store. The ramp has a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds and can accommodate vehicles with a tire width of up to 54 inches. Tri-fold design. The tri-fold design makes the ramp easy to transport and store. It folds down to a compact size that can be easily fit in a truck bed or garage. High-strength aluminum construction. The ramp is made from high-strength aluminum that is lightweight and durable. It can withstand the weight of heavy snowmobiles, ATVs, and motorcycles. 1,500-pound weight capacity. Kicker MultiPro Tailgate Audio System. The Kicker MultiPro Tailgate Audio System is a weatherproof audio system that is designed to be integrated into the MultiPro tailgate of the GMC Sierra 1500 pickup truck. It features 4-inch coaxial speakers, a 100-watt amplifier, and Bluetooth connectivity. The system can be controlled using a wireless remote control or the truck's infotainment system. Weatherproof construction. The system is built to withstand the elements, so you can enjoy your music even in the rain or snow. Integrated design. The system is designed to fit seamlessly into the MultiPro tailgate, so it looks like it came from the factory. High-quality sound. The system features 2 4-inch coaxial speakers and a 100-watt amplifier for high-quality sound. Bluetooth connectivity. Y61 Goo Patrol Resurrection. The Y61 Goo Patrol Resurrection is a project by Shannon's Engineering in Australia that involved restoring a 1997 Nissan Patrol Goo. The truck was in poor condition when the project began, but the team at Shannon's Engineering was able to transform it into a capable off-road vehicle. A new engine and transmission, a suspension lift, new wheels and tires, custom body kit, a full interior refit. The result is a stunning vehicle that is both stylish and capable. The Y61 Goo Patrol Resurrection is a testament to the skills of the team at Shannon's Engineering, and it is sure to inspire other Nissan Patrol owners to restore their own vehicles. The project was completed in 2019. The truck is powered by a 4.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine. The truck has a 2-inch suspension lift. The truck is fitted with 35-inch tires. The truck has a custom body kit that includes a new front bumper, a new rear bumper, and new side skirts. Daniel's Plows Dragon. I'm unable to find any information about it. Daniel's Plows Dragon. It's possible that this is a product that is not widely known, or that it is no longer available for purchase. If you have any additional information about the product, such as the manufacturer or where it was purchased, I may be able to provide more assistance. In the meantime, here is some information about snow plows in general. Snow plows are attachments that are mounted to the front of trucks or other vehicles to clear snow and ice from roads and driveways. They come in a variety of sizes and styles to suit different needs, from small residential plows to large commercial plows. Straight plows. These are the most common type of snow plow. They are a simple, effective way to clear snow from straight roads and driveways. V-plows. These plows have a V-shaped blade that helps to push snow to the sides. They are good for clearing corners and other tight spaces. Snow blowers. These plows have a rotating auger that breaks up snow and throws it out of the way. They are good for clearing deep snow. The size of your property. If you have a large property,